So here's the USB 3 powered hub. So with the powered hub, you get the actual hub itself, and then you can tell it's USB 3 because it's blue inside. And then you also get the power adapter, and then you get a quick start guide. You can take a look at it, but it's really not that important. This thing is pretty self-explanatory. So let's just talk about this real quick. So you actually, let me take these out. You actually get 4 ports, and then you also get just a charging port. So what that is these transfer data, and you can actually charge through here. This one you can only charge, and then here you can turn them on and off. I'll show you that because they light up when they're on, and then when you turn them off, the light goes off. And then this one does not light up. It is always on, but it's always charging, no data. Now, what we can do is I can plug it in to my laptop. Now, this will function just as a normal USB hub. You don't have to hook up the power adapter. There's reasons for having the power adapter. So here, let me plug a few things in, and then I will kind of talk about what this looks like. So just for example, you see the blue lights. If I just click them, I'll turn it off. And then these are off, these are still on. There you go. And I can turn them on, all back on if I want to. Now, the reason why you want to use a powered hub instead of just a regular hub is if you use devices that suck up a lot of juice. So let's say this. I'm plugging in quite a bit of stuff here. So here I have a capture card. I don't have it hooked up to a camera, but these usually draw quite a bit of power. So this would be hooked up to a DSLR mirrorless camera. This would draw power, and then I could use it as a webcam, like in Zoom or something like that. And this is hooked up to an actual webcam. Those could draw a lot of power as well. And then this is actually hooked up to a mechanical hard drive, which always draw a lot of power. So you could have like a little mini SSD drive or something like that that's small, but those are fine. But when you use something that actually has moving parts, it will draw more power, and that's where you need a USB hub. And then here, I have my phone here charging. It says right now it's a slow charger, so it's not putting out that much power, but it is charging the phone. So here, let's hook this up and kind of give you an example of what it all looks like. So it gets plugged into the back right here. And you want to plug the other end into the wall. And then from there, you now have a powered hub. And then what this is good for is, now like this mechanical hard drive, they're all getting their own separate power, and it's not drawing from this little USB port, because this little USB port can't put out that much power as much as having a dedicated power that's plugged into the wall. Now a lot of these things should function a lot better, or function now instead of than before. So just want to give you a quick example of what things look like. Hope this helps. And now we're fast charging. Yay! So once it plugs in, my phone starts to fast charge again. Hope this helps. Take care.